Okay, hello, good evening, good afternoon. Heading back out for about 2.7 kilometres out, in about 12 metres in a line going from 10 to 12 metres down. We did really well yesterday, got our boat limit. Nice ones in there, so hopefully we can back it up today. We'll see. Anyway, a little bit lumpy out here. Wasn't supposed to be. The wind's maybe picked it up a bit. Swell's only 1.4, so it shouldn't be this bad. But wind tends to stuff things up. Nothing we can't handle. As long as the engine doesn't catch fire. Alright, let's get some crows. Doesn't feel very heavy. Little roller. Little roller.
Steady, man.
Mm.
Oh yeah, there's a couple. I don't remember being.
Yeah, one legal. Maybe two. The other one will be close. That one's definitely in.
Maybe. Oh, I'll tell you each one there.
Give me. Yeah, on top, easy. That one's not. Throw that one back because this one's only just. Alright, one in the boat. You can go down with the leaves. Second pot, once we found it.
Yes.
This has been one of our more productive ones out here, but we'll see today. Oops. Yeah, there's heaps of kelp on the radar. Yes. Yeah, there's a couple, 3 or 4 in there. There's a couple, 3 legals maybe, and a couple of big crabs, and an empty shell. An octopus has been in there. So that's one of the 4 that I thought were going to be legal. Anyway, that one definitely is. Good. 2 in the boat. That'll be in. 3 in the boat. Ow. 4 in the boat. Okay. 5 in the boat. And it would have been 6 in the boat.
Oh wow.
If it wasn't for that damned octopus. So yeah, octopus totally sucked out the insides, taken at least 2 legs, and the tail was in there too. And we've got a velvet crab here. Only got 1 nipper. See ya! Alright, that's not a bad pot then. Only little ones, but still multiple crabs. Last pot. No, second to last pot. 2 more to go.
Oh.
Feels heavier. Might be just me.
Yeah, these bigger pots are. You've got seaweed, or maybe you've got seaweed.
Yeah, maybe. Little roller coming. Good. Yeah, one nice one in there. This is like a kilo model. The other one's close. Yeah, 900. Very nice. Oh, ow, stop.
Go on about.
Go on then. I trust your judgment. It's a girl. Get the bigger girls out here. We normally the girls are all small. Again, got nippers on the back here on both back legs. And there's 2 sets of flippers, whatever you call these things, fins, and that's where they hold their eggs under those. So that's nice, we'll keep her. Beautiful. Fine specimen. Alright. Lucky there's all that leaf litter to cushion your fall. Alright, here we go. Last spot.
Saying, what are you doing down here?
What have we got?
cunt?
6 in the boat.
What are you fucking trying to do? That's what it's saying.
Yeah, and then a big hand reaches for him with a neoprene glove on.
It says,
Says yoink! How clear is that water though? You can see the rope all the way down. That's awesome. It's heavy for that part. Must be tangled up in weed or it's got 100 crays in it.
I need your help.
Yeah. Might be stuck.
Is it stuck?
I think so.
Where?
Because we would have got it up.
Oh, you go your way.
Pull.
Yeah. Keep going, we've got it.
Okay.
Just... Ah! Oh. Fuck, I said not.
Sorry, I didn't
Fuck
hear.
me,
I didn't hear anything. I just saw your hands on it pulling.
Fuck, look where I had my hand.
Oh, dude. It was an accident. I'm sorry. Lots of weed. You've got a couple. Good. Sorry, dude. You alright?
Yeah, I will be.
Yeah.
Just
But
really good.
I know, I look like I would have. I'll be more careful next time. I'll watch for that.
Whoa. Oh, man.
Alright. Well, there's our 8. We might be upgrading one.
I think there's 2 keepers here.
Yeah, that's a keeper. Look out. Get in the bucket.
This one big. That one's out. I'm just going to throw it back.
Yeah, we got 8 now anyway. Good.
Congratulations.
Yeah, well done, dude. We're doing well.
Oh, that was a fucking hard pot, eh?
2, yeah. Why was it that heavy? There wasn't that much weight on it, really. 8 away again. We're doing pretty well. We're in a good spot. 900. 800. Flicked under 9. 800. 600. 500. Going 100 over at the moment. 700. That one's 700. Got that one right. 600. That one's 600. Calm down. Calm down. Well, that one's 600. I didn't guess that one, but that's alright. A bunch of little ones today.
A lot of 6s.
That one's a 5. Oh no, not a 6. Without the antennas. And that one's a 7 maybe. Oh, 6, high 6 maybe. And this one's a bigger one. Kilo.
Yeah, I'd say.
1.2. That's a good one.
Yeah, awesome.
Sweet as.